The word get is one of the most used words in English, and when you add a small word after it, it completely changes meaning. These are called phrasal verbs. Today you're learning 10 get phrasal verbs that native speakers use every single day. Get up. This means to rise from bed or from a chair. I get up at 7 every morning. She got up from her chair and left. You physically move from a lower position to a higher one. Get on. Two meanings. First, to board a vehicle. I got on the bus. She got on the plane. Second, to have a good relationship with someone. Do you get on with your neighbors? We get on really well. Progress with something. How are you getting on with the project? Get off, the opposite of get on. To leave a vehicle. I got off the train at the wrong station, but also to finish work. What time do you get off today? She gets off at 6. Get in. To enter a vehicle, specifically a car or taxi, not a bus or train. Get in the car. He got in a taxi. Also, to arrive. What time did you get in last night? Get out. To leave a vehicle, specifically a car or taxi. Get out of the car. Also, to leave a place or situation. Let's get out of here. She needs to get out more. And the famous phrase, get out, meaning I don't believe you, or leave. Get over. To recover from something, an illness, a problem, or a difficult experience. She's getting over a cold. He can't get over his ex-girlfriend. It took me months to get over that disappointment. Recover. Move past it. Get through. To successfully complete something difficult, or to contact someone by phone. I finally got through all my emails. I've been trying to call you. I couldn't get through. We'll get through this together. Persist and succeed. Get along. Similar to get on, to have a good relationship. We get along really well. Do you get along with your boss? Very common in American English. Get away, to escape or take a holiday. The criminal got away. We're trying to get away this weekend. She got away with it. That last one means she did something wrong and wasn't punished. Get back, to return. When did you get back from holiday? I'll get back to you. That last one means I'll respond to you later. Very common in emails and messages. 10 essential get phrasal verbs. Get up, rise. Get on, board or have good relations. Get off, leave a vehicle or finish work. Get in, enter a car or arrive. Get out, leave a car or place. Get over, recover. Get through, complete or contact. Get along, have good relations. Get away, escape or take a break. Get back, return or respond later. Follow Learn Languages for daily English tips. Drop a comment, use one of these phrasal verbs in a sentence. See you in the next video.